Okay.
Yeah, I didn't even go to sleep the whole time. What happened?
What?
What happened?
What happened? You had your wisdom teeth out.
Did you take my tongue out?
Uh-huh.
With my lips? Did you take my lips? Where am I?
You're at the doctor's office. We didn't want you talking anymore.
Not with this. Am I on marijuana?
Hey. What's wrong, baby?
I don't know. I think they put me under.
Yeah?
And I woke up with 4 less teeth in my mouth. And then they gave me